Hi everyone, this video is for CTEC Week 2, Task 2, question number E. In this activity, I compared the social media pages of Coles and Woolworth. I looked at quantitative data such as follower numbers and posting frequency, and qualitative data such as customer comments and visual style. Both businesses have a strong social media presence and regularly post content to engage their audiences. However, I found that Woolworth performs slightly better because it has more followers and a widely variety of content. Both brands use high quality images and interact with customers through comments, which helps build trust and engagement. Overall, this comparison showed how social media data can be used to evaluate a business's online performance and customer relationships.